Please pay attention to the following precautions before installation. First of all, you need to disassemble your old screen. So you need to remove the plate and screws for fixing cable. Please watch the video for specific operation. Beware of the need to disconnect the battery cable first, otherwise, it may cause short circuit or battery overheating. Now, you need to connect the cables of new screen and test if it works. Beware of that you cannot connect the battery cable first. It may cause short circuit or battery overheating. Disassemble the battery cable firstly, and then screen cable. You need to transfer your front camera, speak sensor and home button to the new screen. Follow the steps in the video carefully. After finish removing, you can install them to the new screen now. Attention, install them firmly, because improper installation will lead your accessories to malfunction. Please note that it doesn't related to the screen quality. Just check the problem and reinstall. Before placing the waterproof adhesive, don't forget to clean the original glue on the phone frame. The residual glue may cause unstable placing of new waterproof adhesive, or increase the gap between the screen and the mobile phone. Here you go. The final part is to assemble new screen onto the phone. I need to remind you of cable connecting again. Battery cable must be connected at last, and follow the steps in the video. Okay, you have went through the installation video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Reepanel brand team.